Hello friends, welcome to the next session of MS Word. You know that we are learning the insert menu. So today we are going to learn illustration in insert menu. So in the illustration we have option available: pictures, online pictures, shape, smart art, chart and screenshot. Okay, so suppose if you want to add any kind of picture in your MS Word, so you can simply click on picture option from the file. If you suppose you have any kind of picture in your computer and you want to bring that picture into the MS Word sheet, so you simply click on picture. Once you click on the picture, go to desktop and select, for example I am going to select from my desktop the this logo. So I'm going to select, so you will see the university logo is already came in your insert menu in the picture. Okay, by using the picture option I have bring this image in my current document. So this is the one method. Another method is if you want to select any kind of image from online, so you can also, it is also possible. How you can do this? So let's see. Click on online pictures and your computer will connect you with the different website where the pictures are available. For example, by default I'm connecting with Bing image search engine. So now suppose I need a picture of, let's say I need a picture of let's say we are looking for a car. So I mention car here. So you will see my computer will show different kind of cars to you. So you can select what kind of picture you want to bring here. For example, I want to bring this picture in my current document. So click on insert. So it will take some time to download, and after downloading your picture will be come to your current web page. So let's see how much time it will take. So you see my picture is coming in my document right now. So now I can increase or decrease the size of this picture easily according to my requirement. So in this way I can bring any kind of picture in my MS Word document. So the another thing is, you want to give any kind of formatting to your picture, so you can select the picture and you will see there is a picture style available. So we can give a different type of style to our picture based on our requirement. Okay, so if you want to change the color effect, you can give the color effect also to your picture. This is the color effect. So now if you want to change the correction, you will see these are the different shades available. So your picture is also affected with this. If you want to remove the background, click on remove background. Your picture background will be removed, right? So in this way you can do anything with your image in MS Word option. Now the next option we have available with us in the illustration, next option is available is shapes. If you want to draw any kind of shape by in MS Word, then you can use this option shape. So for example, I want to draw a shape of a smile. So select a smile. So simply bring it here. So I can now change the color of this in my own way. Okay, I can change the style, you will see like this. So this is the one option available. If you want to bring any kind of notepad, so you will see we have a notepad available here. You can bring it like this and you can add. If you right click on this, he will ask you, give you the option of add text. So now you can add the text also. Hello and welcome to the class. So this is another method to use the shape option in your MS Word. Now in the insert we have next option available in smart art. For example, sometime you are showing different kind of process in your document. For example, I am showing the account process. In account we have debit and we have credit. I want to display within proper structure. So in that case we have smart art option available. So in the smart art option you have a different kind of list available, like all kind of process. This is available here. If you want a separate list of the process, then we have list process, we have process, we have cycle, we have hierarchy, we have relationship, we have matrix, we have pyramid. Okay, then we have your picture, we have offline.com. so it is your choice how you want to use this smart art gallery. For example, I want to show a cycle. So in the cycle I want to display like for example, we want to display here 3 section, or let's say in the hierarchy if we have any suitable option available. So right now we don't have. In the relationship also we don't have. So let me select the appropriate matrix for this. For the, let me see here, right? So I want to show the Accounting is divided in two parts. The one is called debit, okay, and it is credit. Whatever we see we will represent. So if you want to change the color of this graphic, you can change the style also, you can change the color also. We have a different styles available here. Okay, I can represent my document in a differently in my way. So like this, you will see we have created a smart shape here, right? So in this way I can do anything with my graphic shapes also. So this is the use of your smart art. Now in the next option we have chart and screenshot. We will learn this thing in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.